السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. أتمنى أنكم جميعا بخير. أرحب بكم جميعا في هذه القناة المفيدة ترحيبا حارا. Today we'll translate the rest of the translation what we started yesterday. So let's see. Last day we translated up to here. لجميع العراقيين, and today we'll translate from here. وأضاف from here. So let's see. وأضاف غوتيريش سيلتقي في بغداد عددا من المسؤولين العراقيين من بينهم رئيس الوزراء محمد شيع السوداني، بالإضافة إلى ممثلين عن منظمات تدافع عن حقوق المرأة والشبيبة، وسيعقد لقاء مع موظفي الأمم المتحدة في العاصمة العراقية. So here the words أضاف. أضاف means أضاف يضيف إضافة means to add or to further say. إلتقى يلتقي إلتقاء means to meet. عدد من المسؤولين, a number of officials or several officials. من بينهم means among them, or in translation we can translate including. بالإضافة means in addition to. ممثلين means representative. Look at this word, representative. ممثل means representative. And منظمات means organizations. تدافع means to defense. Look at this word, تدافع, to defense, to back up, and after that sila and sila. تدافع عن حقوق المرأة. حقوق means rights, mara means women, so women rights. And الشبيبة means youth. So حقوق المرأة والشبيبة means women's and youth's rights. عقد يعقد means to hold or to convene. لقاء means a meeting. موظف الأمم المتحدة means UN employee or UN officials, but here employee, UN employee. And العاصمة العراقية means Iraqi capital. So the translation will be here. وأضاف, here he added. Who added? Last day we translated. وقال المتحدث باسم الأمم المتحدة Stephen. This Stephen Dujarric, who is the spokesperson of UNO, he added here that Guterres will meet. Guterres سيلتقي في بغداد عددا من المسؤولين العراقيين من بينهم رئيس الوزراء محمد شيع السوداني، بالإضافة إلى ممثلين عن منظمات تدافع عن حقوق المرأة والشبيبة. He added that Guterres will meet in Baghdad a number of Iraqi officials, among them or including the Prime Minister Muhammad Shayya al-Sudani, in addition to representatives of some organizations which defends the women's and youth's rights. So بالإضافة إلى ممثلين عن منظمات تدافع. Here تدافع representatives of some organization which defends, or we can say representatives of some organization defend defending. So in the same line, defending the women's and youth's rights. So both are right. Which defends or defending. So after that, this on سيعقد لقاء مع موظفي الأمم المتحدة في العاصمة العراقية, and he will convene or hold a meeting with the UN staffs or with the UN employees in the Iraqi capital. So Muazzaful Umam al-Muttahida means UN staff or UN employee. So both are right. So after that, this sentence, والخميس سيزور غوتيريش مخيما للنازحين في شمال العراق قبل يتوجه إلى أربيل حيث سيلتقي ممثلين عن حكومة إقليم كردستان. So Khamis means Thursday, Zara yazuru means to visit, Mukhayyam means camp. Look this word, Mukhayyam means camp. And Tawajjah, and before that Nazihun means migrant. Look at this word, Nazihun, its plural form Nazihun means migrant or displaced person. So its plural form Nazihun. And Shimal al-Iraq means northern Iraq, northern part of Iraq. Tawajjah after that ila sila, to go to somewhere or to face to somewhere, but here to go to somewhere is better. Or and iltaqa means to meet, mumassilun means representatives, hukumatu iklim Kurdistan government. So the translation will be here. On Thursday, سيزور غوتيريش مخيما للنازحين في شمال العراق. Guterres will visit a migrants camp in North Iraq. So Mukhayamun Linazihin, migrants camp in North Iraq. Qabla yatawajjaha ila Arbil haythu sayaltaki mumassilina an hukumati iklim Kurdistan. Before he goes to or turns to or goes to Arbil, where he will meet representatives of Kurdistan government. So here it is important, it is notable that this ta'bir qabla yatawajjaha ila Arbil, we can translate the best way is before he leaves for Arbil. And its meaning actually live for means to leave some place for some place. For example, we can say that yatawajjahu rajulu minal Hind yatawajjahu rajulu ilal Saudiyatul Arabiyya, means from India the person lives for Saudi Arab. So lives for means lives for some place. So that person lives for India for Saudi Arab. Yatawajjahu rajulu ila Arabiyatu Saudiyya. Minal Hind yatawajjahu rajulu ila Arabiyatu Saudiyya. So in the same way, we can translate here that before he leaves for Arbil or before he goes to Arbil, where he will meet representatives of Kurdistan government. After that, this sentence, وتعود آخر زيارة لغوتيريش إلى العراق إلى ربيع 2017 من الميلادية. عاد يعود means to return. آخر زيارة last visit. Iraq, and this is the time. So actually the here uh, the translation is that the last visit of Gutierrez was visit of Gutierrez to Iraq was in uh, spring of 2017, but we will not translate such a way, because we will try to translate the meaning, not the words, word for word. It is not the way of translation. We will translate here the the accurate way of translating. Following that way, the Gutierrez last visited to Iraq in spring of 2017. So here, وتعود آخر زيارة لغوتيريش إلى العراق إلى ربيع 2017 ميلادية. That Gutierrez last visited to Iraq in spring of 2017. Will not translate such a way that last visit of Gutierrez to Iraq was in spring of 2017. If we translate that, that will not be wrong, but we must have to follow the accurate way and the modern way to translate, and we'll be careful of how to translate the newspaper translation. We must have to know, learn. So actually the newspaper translation is here that Gutierrez last visited to Iraq in spring of 2017. This is the best way, and this is the better. This is better. So after that, this sentence, ومن العراق سيتوجه الأمين العام إلى قطر للمشاركة في قمة أقل البلدان نموا. So here توجه يتوجه, the same sentence, to go to somewhere or to live for somewhere. Musharaka means to join. Qimmatun means summit. Aqallul buldan numuwan means least developed countries. Look at this word. Aqallul buldan numuwan means least developed countries. And qimma, plural form qimam, means summit. So the translation will be here. ومن العراق سيتوجه الأمين العام إلى قطر لمشاركة في قمة أقل البلدان نموا. That from Iraq, the SG means the Secretary General will leave for Qatar to participate in a summit of least developed countries. So here tawajjah ila Qatar, that the SG will leave for Qatar. From where? From Iraq. From Iraq, he will leave for Qatar to participate in summit of least developed countries. So such a way we will translate. We will always be very careful of newspaper translation, not translation of word for word. Today up to here we have finished the whole passage, the whole translation from here up to here. So thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.